Right, good afternoon everyone. We're going to be looking at working with others to solve problems. One advantage of working in a group is that a problem can be solved a lot quicker and easier. The workload decreases if everyone does their share. Problem solving becomes easier as more ideas can be generated, increasing the chance of finding the best possible solution to implement. Working with others is especially suitable for large projects that one person could not do alone. You all know what it means to work in a team in order to solve problems, but we need to look at 4 advantages. And the first one is that of pooling of ideas. One of the biggest advantages of working in a group is having other people's ideas pooled together. Each member of the group has something unique that he or she can contribute. You hear other sides to the story and other angles on the problem based on their backgrounds or their beliefs. The second advantage is that you learn from others. Someone might know something that you didn't know, and they can teach it to you, or vice versa, you can teach them. If you are not as strong in a certain subject or do not fully understand an idea, a team member can explain it to you. The third advantage is that there is far more thorough discussions. One group member's answer or idea can trigger another group member to think of something else, so this broadens the scope of the discussion. Fourth advantage is that learning to accept others' points of view. You learn to express your ideas and concerns, as well as accept those of others. If you don't get along with others and listen to their ideas, it is very hard to manage in life, so learn to listen. Then we have what we call the principle of synergy. And I know my maths isn't right here when I go 1 + 1 = 3, but it really explains this concept of synergy. It is a proven fact that the combined effort of a number of people will produce a far greater result than the sum of the individual contributions, and this is known as synergy.